Hello everybody, how are we all on this fine Friday afternoon? Everyone's sweating, everyone drinking loads of water. Good on ya. Now how'd you fancy Vietnamese pork with jasmine rice? Made simple. Let me show you what we're going to do. So, this is everything I've got, nice and simple. One of them again, Simply Cook. The last one I had, the kofta, was delicious. So I'm hoping this one's going to be the same, and we're going to do exactly the same. You haven't seen these before, they're £2.50 up Tesco, and you get everything in there, look. And you just go 1, 2, 3, and just follow the recipe. Really simple. So first things first, I want to got my rice, my jasmine rice. I've already drained that, sieved it and that, got all the starch out of it. So we're going to start off with that first. I want 300ml of boiling water, 300ml of water, and the beef stock. Nice and thick that is, look, and it does smell quite nice, that. Want to get it all. Water in, stock in, bring it to the boil. And while that's doing, let's get on with the pork first. Got to fry the pork up first. Nice and simple again. Little drop of oil. Just going to put my rice in. I'm going to give it a stir. I know you probably can't see the rice properly at the minute, but it's all in the pork and that for me, really. The next step is just fry the pork up. You can see it there. Till it's done, and then take it out. So that's easy enough. We get the pork in. I got this pork from Aldi. And I just chopped it up. £3.80 it was for a big fillet of pork. And I've left them quite big chunks, just so it looks a bit better, that's all. Let's have a look. Oh yeah, let's turn them over. And I'll just keep turning them and flicking them until they're done. Right, they are virtually done. I've cut one open and tried it. That one there. So I'm going to get them out. I'm going to turn that pan down a little bit. It's a little bit high. Now it's add a drop more oil. Just a drop. I'm not going to clean it. And then we've got some shallots here. I've got 3 shallots. Get them in. And 2 tablespoons of brown sugar, and that's them done for a few minutes. Just let that do its thing. Obviously caramelise it up a bit, I suppose. Now we've got to add the second paste. You tell me what the name that is. Thick Pro, something like that. We've got to add that with 50ml of water. That's that one there. Oh, you can't see it. Get that in. Get it all. And 50ml of water. And give that a couple of minutes till it thickens up a little bit, I think. That's thickening up a little bit now. Now get your pork back in. I mean, vegetables, if you're having them, we're not. I'm just trying it like this. Get it all coated. Nice and simple, isn't it? The rice is done. I don't know what it's going to taste like. Could do some veg in there, couldn't you? But never mind, eh? Just give it that look. I have got my spring onions, which I think I'll put a few in now. Put the white ones in, and I'll leave the green ones for a garnish. And I've got some chillies. I could have put a bit of chillies in there, couldn't I, just to get a bit more space, but never mind. Get it all coated up. And now the last one, just add the chilli garlic. Add that in there at the end. So we'll do that now. Give it a final mix. And then we're ready to dish up. We're going to start off with a bit of jasmine rice then on the side first. Loads of rice here, look. I did do a bit extra rice because there's 3 of us and the other one's just for 2. So the rice might not be as still doing too much rice. We can always do too much rice. All the time. And then we'll go on to the pork. It smells delicious. I hope it tastes delicious. And we'll dish some of this up now. Or you could put it on top of the rice, couldn't you? I'm going to have it at the side. Just in case I don't like it, I can always eat the rice. The thing with me, I don't usually taste before, you know, until it's done. Because I want to, things like this, I want to see if they're nice on camera. There's a bit more sauce though, to be honest with you. There's not a lot of sauce, look. Couple of spring onions on top. Just for the content. Sweating, absolutely sweating, Bab. Huh? That says the rice is really nice. Do you like the rice? Yeah? Let me show you. There you go, there's the Jasmin rice with the beef stocks saucing. And there's the pork, and it does look quite nice. Could do a bit more sauce, couldn't you? Do you think?
The sauce is sticky. Much sauce with this, so
Yeah, I don't know. Don't get much sauce with it, I don't know.
What is it?
It's a Vietnamese. That's it there. Obviously, if you put it all on one plate like that, you'd get the more sauce, wouldn't you? Do you know what I mean? Let's have a crack then at this pork.
I've never had Vietnamese.
I've never had Vietnamese either, so I'm going to try it and see.
Sauce has got a bit of a kick to it.
Has it got a kick?
A little bit.
It's that chilli thing, I think, at the end. Mmm.
Delicious.
Mmm. Oh, I can get all them flavours straight away.
Oh, that's nice.
Oh, that's nice. Oh, that's nice, isn't it? I don't know how to say that there, what paste that is. Oh, it has got a little kick at the end, isn't it, there? I don't know what I say that.
Thick.
Yeah, thick Keith. Well, that's quite nice, isn't it, that? Mmm. Now, yeah, I mean, that was $2.50. Me pork, I had a big fillet of pork, I think it's £3.80. Couple of shallots, or onions if you want to. You don't have to use Jasmin rice, I just got it because it says to use it on there. Use normal if you got it in the cupboard, can you? I mean, we've done 3. I don't think I'd do 4. We've done 3. And that's about enough for us there, isn't it?
That's plenty for
That's
us.
probably plenty, so.
Haven't got much left then, wouldn't it do?
There's nothing left.
Oh, is there
It's all
nothing
gone
left?
now, done 3.
Yeah.
Try it both together.
I think it's delicious.
Mmm.
Can you feel that sauce?
Look.
It's not overpowering.
No, it's just there, but then you get that little kick at the end, don't you? Not a big kick, just a little.
That's what it's on about.
Just a little kick at the end. Mmm. Ain't but nothing to put in it to have with it.
What do you mean?
No, as a side.
I don't think you need one. This is
No.
filling this is.
That's nice.
They're really good, they are.
These are really good, aren't they?
Where'd you get them from?
I got them Tesco's, £2.50.
That good.
And I got a few. I got a fish one and all that. I just have to look for something nice and convenient where you ain't gonna mess around.
No.
And if you follow the instructions, it comes out bang on, doesn't it? That's 2 I've had now, and they're both lovely.
Oh, the other one was nice the other day.
The kofta one.
Yeah, it was really nice, that was.
So there's, I mean, if you didn't see the other one, there's, I don't know if you can see it again. The QR code, if you want to scan it, any reason for anything, get a bit closer. To have a look at some recipes or something, you know what I mean?
Them are the ones you can buy at the back. There.
Yeah. But there's some more, they do more than that. I've got more than that on the shelf, but there's some of them. I'll try more in store. And they're quite nice. Simple like that for this weather. So it's you're saving over the stove for ages.
Yeah.
Done. Finished. Bang on. Well, I'm going to eat because it's going cold. I'll give you a score at the end. All you can hear off from me, and that is It's lovely. All my rice has gone. That rice is gorgeous, isn't it?
That rice is lovely.
A couple of pieces of pork left. Oh, can't see. There you go. I'm going to give that a 10 as well, for convenience and taste. Bab. What you eating? Still eating, that is. Still eating. Here's the plates going. That's when you know it's nice, then, when the plates, when you're trying to get every last bit. Yeah, 10 for me. Go on then, Bab, when you finish that bit in your mouth. Ugh.
Definitely a 10.
Definitely a 10.
Definitely a 10.
These are worth getting to put in your cupboard, aren't they?
Yeah.
You ain't got to use pork if you don't want to use pork. You know, does it say anything about veggies on this one? No.
You can put what you want in there, couldn't you?
Yeah, you can put what you want, can't you? No.
No vegetables.
I just done it for the... I would probably put some bean sprouts in there or something next time or something. You don't like bean sprouts, though, do you? You like bean? You like bean sprouts?
I love bean sprouts.
What don't you like then? Bean sprouts?
No.
Green beans?
Green beans.
Green beans you don't like. Yeah, some bean sprouts just to pump it up, but you don't need to, do you?
It's so filling.
If you're having like, if it's for 4 you could just put some veg in there just to pump it up, couldn't you? And just half the meat a bit, couldn't
But
you?
the plate that we've had is proper
Well, that's
filling.
perfect for us, yeah. I'm full now.
I'm full.
I'm going to eat it all. As I say, I am the old food guy. Just like and subscribe. Look, subscribe. Let me know you've had them before. I find them absolutely delicious. I really do. Till next time, I'll see you later. Bye bye.